Hello grade 12s and welcome to the series of videos on the November 2021 Physical Science Paper 2 exam. This is the chemistry exam. My name is Natasha Barton and I will be working through these questions with you. Now, I'd like to remind you, grade 12s, that the more that you interact with these videos, the more useful they will be to you and the better you will retain the knowledge. So once again, I do encourage you to grab a pen, pencil, and a sheet of paper. Your calculator, of course, is very helpful as well. And please do make note as you work through these problems with me. What may also be very helpful is for you to first work through some of the problems yourself. Pause the video, work through the problem, and then continue to watch it to see how I work through it. You can then check to see if your reasoning is correct or if there is perhaps a better way to go about the question. Now, as a starting point, you're going to see uploaded to the Junior Techie website the actual question paper, which is currently displayed to your screen. We start off in the set of videos with the multiple choice section. And once again, I would like to encourage each of you to please work through the multiple choice section whenever you are studying for a physical science paper, because multiple choice is going to help you to identify your misconceptions and to correct them so that you do better in multiple choice and in the longer questions. After the multiple choice section, you're going to see question number 2, which is the first question that deals with organic chemistry. Question number 3 deals with organic chemistry as well, but it focuses on the physical properties of organic compounds. Question number 4 deals with reactions in organic chemistry. In question number 5, we will be looking at a question that deals with rate and extent of reaction. And there's also a bit of stoichiometry or quantitative aspect of chemical change in this problem. In question number 6, we deal with the problem on chemical equilibrium. Here you're going to see a Rice table and Le Chatelier's principle. In question number 7, we deal with acids and bases, things like pH, as well as a bit more quantitative aspect of chemical change will be dealt with in this question. In question 7, you will see a galvanic cell, and in question number 9, the last question in this question paper, you will see a problem involving an electrolytic cell. This entire question paper is out of 150 marks, and you will be required to complete a question paper like this in 3 hours. Now, you will see on your Junior Techie website the marking guidelines as well. The marking guidelines are normally referred to as the memo, but this is the document that is going to tell you how to mark the answers that you write down. So please do work through the marking guidelines to see if you're on the right track. Also to see the other options, the other ways that you can use to answer questions correctly. Lastly, uploaded to the website, you're going to see the examination guidelines. So if you go all the way, basically halfway through the examination guidelines, you're going to see the chemistry section, the paper 2 chemistry section, and basically in the exam guidelines we tell you exactly what you will be required to know, be able to do, be able to calculate, etc. For example, over here they say calculate the molar concentration of a solution. If we go down a little bit, you can see they say describe the difference between intermolecular forces, etc. You are also going to see mentioned in the exam guidelines all of the definitions that you need to know off by heart. Here they say a hydrocarbon is an organic compound or includes organic compounds that consist of hydrogen and carbon only. Please do work through the exam guidelines to see everything that you need to know and understand and tick it. So tick all of the points as you go along so that you can identify, things or definitions or basic concepts that you do not know or have not mastered fully yet, and you will then know that you need to work on these at a later point. So grade 12, this brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we're going to begin the multiple choice section of this question paper.